Today we want to introduce hardware implementation. First, let's look at the example. This is dividends, and this is divisor, and this is remainder. The bits of remainder are 1 less than divisor. The bits of XOR are as same as remainder. What is XOR? Please look at the table. If two inputs are same, output will be 0. If they are different, output will be 1. Next, let's look at the steps of hardware implementation. First, we assume the remainder is all 0. Second, we use the leftmost bits to make a decision about the divisor. If the leftmost bit is 1, the divisor bits are 0, 1, 1. If the leftmost bit is 0, the divisor bits are 0, 0, 0. Third, the other two bits of the divisor and the next bit from the argument data word are XOR to create the next digital string. Let's begin to calculate. The divisor is repeatedly XOR with part of the dividends. The leftmost bit is not needed because the result of the operation is always 0, no matter what the value of these bits. So 001 XOR 000 is 001. The answer of leftmost bit is 0, so the next divisor bits are 000. The other two bits of the divisor and the next bits from the augmented data word are XOR 000. The answer is 010. The following formula, and so on. In the end, we can get remainder is 110. The answer is same with paper and pencils. Let's look at figure 10.12 at the textbook. We can find they have same formula. We can simplify the design to figure 10.13. If one of input is 0, then the other input decide the result. That's why 2 XOR are enough in this example. The method can be used in the encoder and decoder. Let's look at the handout. In encoder, generator use this method. In decoder, checker use this method. We take the same example. In generator, the augmented data word divided by 1011. The remainder is 110. We can get the code word 1001110. In checker, the code word divided by 1011. If the remainder is 0, the syndrome will be 0. If the syndrome is 0, the data will be accepted. The advantages are that the encoder and decoder can easily and cheaply be implementation, increases the rate of check bit and syndrome bit calculation.